Come on, let's go. We're going to Tractor Supply. Why are you looking at me like that for? Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to Tractor Supply. We're getting oyster shell.
Hey.
Oh my goodness, look how stinking cute. I need one of these. I need one of these. Don't touch yet. But I need one of these. Oh my goodness, I want this. Look, $60. Look at the cows. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I need these. I want that. I want that so bad. Do you see it? Do you see it? We're at Tractor Supply. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Look, I want this so bad. Look at that.
Ah, so good to see you. Right this way to the graveyard.
I thought it was going to get me. He told me to hit the button. I was like, I don't know about all that. Remember that one time I hit that button and it scared me.
Jumped all the way out. That was wild.
Oh, it's Spirit of Halloween time.
I wish you had recorded it because then you were like, wow.
So good of you to drop by. We've been expecting you.
It's on sale.
It's on sale.
It's on sale. It's only $349. It's originally $399.
Just hit the button, Mom.
I did hit the button. Can I hit it one more time?
Welcome. Right this way.
Look at that one. I want that.
Guide to meet you.
The better reach than
That one. I like these. This is creepy. Okay, let's go. They have pet costumes too here. Oh, look how stinking cute. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Let's not touch him. I really think I need to get one of these. Wait, is this? I was going to say, is that only $9.99? I think this is what we need for the wintertime for them. Look. Yep. $6 for oyster shell? That's all I need? Oh, grab it.
It's only £5.
I can't get it. Grab me 2 of them while they're on sale.
Hey, Mom.
I think
It's only $9.99. Yeah.
it's not $9.99. I thought so too. I think we're gonna get this big bag here. It's only $15.99. It's cheaper to get this than those 2 little tiny bags she's carrying.
I mean, that's only 30, 50 pounds.
Get it, girl. She's making a TikTok. We're getting oyster shell. To your bear slippers. Get off that. Come on.
Thinking.
Look how stinking cute this is. Look at a witch one too. I need all of these. They have Dr. Squatch. Look at this, Freedom Fresh. You can get the soap bars for $8.99, the odorant for $13.99. Look at this. Okay, so what we learned at Tractor Supply is that you have to scan your receipts for your neighbor rewards. So you always scan your receipts when you leave, and that's how you get your points on your neighbor rewards. Did not know that, and that was a big headache, and I had to go find my receipts in my house because I do have receipts that I never did scan, never did get the points. So always scan your receipts to your neighbor's rewards account to get your points. Do you like running around with me? Do you like running errands with me? Do you like seeing my pretty face and hearing my annoying voice? I mean, my beautiful voice, but apparently I get called annoying all the time. I screech and yell, and yeah, this is another realistic day in a mom's life. A realistic mom. I'm not trying to impress you. I'm just giving you a realistic vibe of who I am, and hopefully, what? What'd she do? What'd she do?
She jumped over there and looked at the book first real quick, and then when I came to open the door, she saw me, and she came in, had her butt in her seat by the time I had that door open.
A little sneaky. So
Like,
yes,
couldn't
make
see
sure you hit that follow button. What?
Hey.
What?
They're not icing on the book.
Where'd you send the book?
I seen a lady that had a face upside down.
Face upside down. Huh?
Like,
Ooh.
so, what?
What book's that?
Eerie tales
Does she need to be reading that?
full of screams.
She can't read, so it doesn't matter. Is there bad pictures in it?
No.
Again, McDonald's. Iced coffee, pumpkin spice. I'm gonna go get me another one for the home. McDonald's gonna take all my money. You're gonna take all his money. All his money. On Tractor Supply receipt. He don't know crap.
And I'm reading a scary book.
I don't know crap.
He don't know if you got
What
scan
did
your...
I tell you when I said that? I said find a receipt from the very first purchase because we were not a neighbor's reward club member with a phone number attached. This time, you gave them the phone number at the register.
So you don't have to scan your receipts now when you give them your phone number. Do you forget to scan? If you forget to give them your phone number, then you have to scan your receipt, okay? That's how the neighborhood works. And I don't like being a part of the Tractor Supply neighborhood because they are, their cards are junk. And I hate to say that, but their cards, like I finally got it paid off, and I will never put another dime on a Tractor Supply credit card. Like the interest, like literally, it's not worth getting 5% off. You don't even get 5% off. You get 5% back in rewards, so you can spend more money and rack up the bill even more. Don't do a Tractor Supply credit card. You'll get yourself in trouble. It's not worth it.